Meet our dear friend, Gentleman Jim, the man to whom the guitar is handed. There's a bar they call the Bitter Sea, and she sits and drinks a velvet crush. And that's Kool-Aid and gin, casing the Cleon's like a relentless cameraman. She is elsewhere. She says you keep a nothing, but you can't come in. And I say, little sister, don't you do what your big sister does. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Well, desire looks just like you, that Uzi 9. Sundown, 15 bystanders and a roadside drive-by, yeah. Desire is a grass fire drinking gasoline. She says, open up your mouth, man, let me come inside. Bubble down, 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 down. Bubble down, 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 down. She whack now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She snap now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She gone, gone. Leaning up against the wall. I will last out dancing like a madman when you're gone. And I will spit the blue flame and pour my glass against the wall. And I will hear your name called out from a boombox. I will hear your name called out from passing cars. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. She cracked now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She snapped now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She gone. She gone. She gone, 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 gone. But now they call me Mr. Now they call me Mr. Now they call me Mr.